Copperleaf, we've been working for the past 6 or 9 months on our own discovery process. We've broken that discovery process up into three phases. So, phase one could be described as I have an idea or like this could work. And this could be from anyone within Copperleaf coming up with these ideas, but for the most part, we're seeing executives or product management leading these. And during phase one, you're responsible for creating a business case which justifies whether or not we should be looking at building a concept to validate. If the answer to the business case is a yeah, that looks good, we push that to phase two, where we look at assigning a cross-functional team of a product person, so product management, technical product management, or product ownership, a product designer, and a technical person. And it doesn't always have to be three people. These are skills, not individuals. So if we had a really good, well-rounded individual that could manage all three of those perspectives, this technically could be done by one person. So during phase two, you're going to see your traditional triple diamond design process with divergent and convergent design thinking and validation activities. Um, as you get towards that validation stage where you actually have a concept that you think is good enough to move into stage three, that's where it would get prioritized into the backlog of a responsible cross-functional team. So this is where you're going to find 6 to 10 individuals, generally, developers, front end, back end, software developers and test, QA, technical product manager, and a product designer. And they will work on looking at that concept, really understanding whether or not it has been validated properly based on their understanding of the context and the domain. And they'll iterate that through until it's a final shipped product. And obviously, we look for ways to validate that once it's done and out in the market. But yeah, that's a high level look at our process. Obviously, you're going to need to mix in user research throughout that. So we encourage you to, as a product designer, as a product team member, to when it makes sense, bring clients into that process. So it's adaptive and it's not necessarily linear as most good design processes are.